huh? My name's Goku.
Hey, Bulma, are you home?
All right, I'm coming. Oh, Goku, hi! What are you doing here?
Hey, Bulma, I just had a problem. I was wondering if you could help me out.
Of course, Goku. Come right in. Would you like something to drink? I've got water or juice.
Oh, juice is fine. As long as it's not that juice that Ola made for us to put us to sleep.
No, I'll get it. And here you go. Fresh squeezed apple juice.
Ah, great, thanks.
So, what was the problem that you wanted to discuss, Goku? Is it the Dragon Balls again?
Well, no, it's not about the Dragon Balls, but, do you remember a video called Bulchi?
Oh yes, I do remember.
Yeah, well,
That was quite the video.
yeah, well, something happened between me when I watched that video. I mean, watching you and Chi-Chi views, it kinda made my body warmed up a little bit.
Explain in further detail, Goku. I think I need a little more detail. What do you mean?
Well, when I saw you and Chi-Chi views, it was like you and Chi-Chi views was kind of beautiful, and it somehow made me blush, and somehow it made my power pole extend.
Power pole extend. Oh. Goku, you're not kidding. I mean, are you kidding with me, or are you being serious?
I'm actually am being serious, Bulma. It made my power pole extend very long.
Oh.
So I was wondering if you could help me about why my power pole is extended long and hard.
Oh my gosh, okay, Bulma, keep together. Well, Goku, there's this thing. It's, I don't know how to explain this to you.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, I don't know how to explain this to you. Okay. Okay, you said you were feeling kind of warm inside.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Like my body was gonna be on fire or something.
Okay. That's not a bad thing. That's a good thing. It means you're attracted to, us. In a way. Well, and you see, it means you were excited in a certain term.
Excited? You mean like I was excited about fighting?
It's a little different. It's kind of a different definition. Here, hold on. I know how to fix this. Okay, check this out.
Okay.
Okay, so when a boy your age sees a beautiful woman,
Okay.
he gets hard. And basically that means your power pole gets filled with blood, and it gives you something called a boner. It's a boner. And what that means is that you want to... I can't explain this. Basically, that means you want to have fun with the girl.
Fun. Oh, I get it. Like, she wants to train with me. Is that what that means?
It's a certain type of training. Basically, it means you want to stick your power pole into her. And you want to... Well, Saiyans have a term called mating, but in our terms, it's called sex.
Sex?
And as I said, it's basically you putting your power pole inside of her. Are you still with me so far?
why would I stick my power pole inside a girl? Wouldn't that hurt her?
It would at first, unless the girl isn't a virgin. If the girl is, then yes, it would. And I imagine Chi-Chi is a complete virgin, so yeah. Jeez, I can't believe I have to explain this to you. Oh God. Goku, you gotta make me this promise.
Okay.
You gotta promise me that you will learn about this and just promise me you'll just learn about this and never ask me about something this embarrassing ever again. Oh my God.
Okay, I guess.
But that's pretty much it. You were getting excited and you wanted to do things, and so that's really what happens. It's completely normal among boys.
Oh.
Boys your age actually start to experience things like this. Now, it's a little different with girls, though, but we'll get into that another time.
Oh, well, okay then. I think I gotta get it now.
But Goku, you can't do that right now.
Why not?
Well, one, you're too young, and you're not married. You can't do that unless you're married.
Oh, okay. Gigi told me the same thing. Is marriage type of food or something?
No. Marriage is where okay, so this is how it would work. You would ask a girl to marry you, but it has to be a girl that you really and truly care about and love. You say, "Will you marry me?" And then what happens is the girl dresses up in a white dress and you wear a nice looking suit or tuxedo, and then you have somebody say, "I pronounce you husband and wife," and then you guys share a kiss. You get to spend the rest of your life together. It's the most romantic thing in the world.
Wow. That changes everything. Well, okay, Bulma. I'll do what you say. I'll wait until marriage.
That's good, Goku. You really are a nice young kid. Is that all you needed from me?
Yeah, I guess I did. I feel much better now. Well, thanks a lot, Bulma.
Of course. Bye, Goku.
Okay, bye. Bye, Nemes! Well, I'm on to see Master Roshi for training. See ya, Bulma!
Bye, Goku, and hey, stay safe.